Okay, so what we got was, it was Lavani's birthday. So some good friends of ours came over and brought us some Morels. We've called them dryland fish all my life. Whatever, there they are. We're gonna store these though, because we can't eat them all at once, but thanks to Wally and Jerica. Now, what we've done is I've come over here and I've cut some of them in half. We've soaked them in water overnight for sure, with a little bit of salt water. You can do it in just a couple hours, but I let them go overnight. Now, some of them I've cut in half. Others of them I've left whole. I've turned them over. I've tried to let them get pretty dry before I go ahead. And what I have here is a little bit of flour, a little bit of cornmeal, salt, pepper, just a touch of Lowry's. I didn't get carried away because, listen, the mushrooms taste good by themselves. You don't need to get carried away. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to cook them, and we'll get back to that in just a second. Okay, so we're back, and what we've got is the mushrooms like we talked about before. What I've done here, just here, show them this, honey. I've put some butter in there, and then some lard. And this here's true lard from a hog that we had killed a couple of years ago. You less unfortunate folks might have to just use butter, but what I did was I used a combination of the two. Now, it's good and brown. Like we talked about before, I'm just going to dredge them in there real quick. And we're going to fry them. I try not to get too much flour. You don't want all flour and batter. They're good mushrooms. That's not good.
Here's Andrew. Hey guys. How's it going?
This is our crew tonight. As we cook our morels, drug straight out of the woods. Compliments to Wally and Jerica and Devin. One more time. When I turn it on. All right, they've been on for a couple, 2 or 3 minutes, about 4 minutes, I guess, aside. We're gonna flip them over here. Butter and yeah, lard. That's what we're using.
Looking good.
Looking good. We'll eat them in a minute, I guess. Okay, dinner's done. Here we go. We're gonna make Mom a plate first. Mommy always gets fed first. So what we done is I made a little shrimp. Yeah, I know. Hillbillies with shrimp. We do it. A little spinach in there. This is corn straight from the garden. Mommy froze that last year. We're gonna give her a little spot of that too. And then she's gonna have a couple of our fried morel mushrooms. Yeah, I know, fingers. It's my mom, don't worry about it. There you go. That's gonna be our dinner. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, here we go. This is Lavani's first time ever eating a morel. This is what she got for her birthday, and this is what we fried up. There you go, try them. They're really good.
That is good.
I told you.
It's really yummy. Thanks, guys.
I knew she was gonna like it. See, more to come. Alright, well, we're done eating the mushrooms, and we've all had a good time.
They don't make shampoo turn your hair red.
This is what happens at the end.
Let's get
That's
painted.
Festus.
Do you like your dinner?
Festivus for
Did
the
you like
rest
your
of
dinner,
us.
Festus?
I love you, honey.
He loved it, honey.
My country cousin.
My country cousin, I tell you.
I love you.